Hello everybody, Dave from Let's Get Lost, Wisconsin. Heading out to help a friend that's gotten stuck in a farm field. It just snowed last night. It's a very wet, slushy snow. So I'm gonna head on out that direction and we'll keep you informed. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So, alright you guys, I'm about a minute away. First thing I want to do when I get there is assess the situation and see best alternatives of getting this thing out. So bear with me.
I think.
Alright you guys, we just got here. Are you the guy that called me?
Yeah.
What do you got going on?
I parked in a cornfield last night.
Where are you at?
Way back over there by the trailer.
Well, let's go take a walk here.
So we'll probably have to.
This looks pretty soft in here.
Yeah, it's a little soft, but it's hard ground underneath. This is all grass here.
Yeah, I got a Suburban that's 10,000 pounds. Oh, you're way back there? Yeah, that's quite the place to be.
Well, I was way back there.
All right, well, let's assess this a little bit and we'll get see what we can do to get him out of here. All right, you guys, this ground looks a little iffy here. All I can hope is I don't get caught up in this myself, because the ground is a little soft here, but I'm always up for a challenge. So let's see what this thing can do. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna make sure I get locked in four-wheel drive here. Wish me luck. All right, I'm gonna get this thing rolling here.
Alright guys, we got a vehicle out here in the field. You guys, we are back at Let's Get Lost, Wisconsin, and we are going to be working on getting this car out of this field.
right, guys. Now I'm gonna see if I can get out of here, and then we'll see if he can follow. Alright, you guys, he made it out. Clean up, get out of here. Hope you like this session. If you like this, slam that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for some more footage coming soon.